Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best subwoofers for cars that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the 7-Tor 10-inch upgrade 800-watt slim underseat powered car subwoofer. This compact subwoofer is designed for drivers who want solid bass performance without sacrificing space. One of its standout features is its cast aluminum enclosure, which ensures excellent heat dissipation and reliable performance, even during extended use. The blue LED ambient light adds a stylish touch, making your vehicle look dynamic and cool at night. With a peak power of 800 watts and built-in amplifier, it delivers impressive bass that can be adjusted easily with the included wired remote control. In terms of design, the 7-Tor subwoofer is ultra-slim, measuring just 2.7 inches thick, allowing it to fit under most car seats or in tight spaces. The Spider speaker protector adds durability while enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal. Performance-wise, it supports both low-level RCA inputs and high-level inputs, making it compatible with a wide range of audio systems. Its adjustable input sensitivity, thermal protection circuitry, and bass boost options allow users to fine-tune their listening experience. While the 7-Tor subwoofer offers great value for its price, its maximum output of 800 watts may feel a bit underwhelming for audiophiles seeking booming bass at higher volumes. Ideal for casual listeners or those upgrading from stock audio systems, this subwoofer is a reliable choice with a 12-month replacement warranty and 2-year repair support. Pros include its slim design, stylish LED lighting, and ease of installation, while cons are limited to its comparatively lower power output. At number 4, we have the Vikjibiv 1200-watt slim underseat car subwoofer. With a peak power of 1200 watts, this subwoofer is perfect for those who crave deep, booming bass in their car audio setup. It's designed with a racetrack-shaped subwoofer that enhances depth and clarity, while the bass boom-up technology allows for EQ tweaks to maximize output. The ambient blue LED light adds a unique vibe to your car interior, syncing to the beat of the music for an immersive experience. The design is compact and durable, featuring cast aluminum construction for superior heat dissipation and air resonance. Measuring just 2.76 inches in thickness, it fits seamlessly under car seats or in tight spaces. The individual controls for low-pass filter, gain, and bass boost allow you to customize your audio experience to suit your preferences. Performance-wise, the Vikjibiv subwoofer delivers loud and dynamic sound with clear highs, deep bass, and minimal distortion. However, the lack of RGB lighting options, unlike its sibling product, ranked higher, and limited adjustment range for bass boost may leave some users wanting more. It's ideal for trucks, SUVs, and other vehicles where space is at a premium. Pros include its powerful bass output, compact design, and dynamic lighting, while cons are limited customization for the lighting and slight distortion at max levels. Coming in at number 3 is the Kicker 48 CDF 104 Comp 10-inch subwoofer in downfiring enclosure. Kicker is a household name in the audio industry, and this subwoofer lives up to the brand's reputation for delivering big bass performance in a compact package. The standout feature here is the downfiring enclosure design, which saves trunk space while still delivering 300 watts of maximum output power. Its injection-molded cone with 360-degree back bracing ensures durability and consistent audio quality. The full perimeter venting and uniplate backplate and pole piece contribute to excellent airflow, preventing overheating during prolonged use. The MDF construction and custom embroidery add a premium touch to the build quality. While it's not as slim as some of the underseat models on this list, its compact dimensions make it a great option for cars, trucks, and SUVs where space is limited. The bass boost feature ensures punchy bass that's perfect for genres like hip-hop and EDM. On the downside, its power output may not satisfy users looking for extreme bass levels, and it lacks the flashy lighting features of other models. However, if you're after a practical, durable subwoofer that delivers reliable bass performance, the Kicker 48 CDF 104 is a solid choice. Pros include its sturdy design, space-saving enclosure, and consistent sound quality, while cons are limited to its modest power output and lack of visual flair. In second place, we have the Zine-Kuls's 2025 upgraded 10-inch slim underseat powered car subwoofer. This model is a fantastic choice for drivers looking to upgrade their car audio system without compromising valuable space. With a peak power of 1,200 watts, it delivers deep, powerful bass that transforms your listening experience. The built-in amplifier and cast aluminum shell ensure excellent heat dissipation, allowing it to perform consistently even during long drives. The design is sleek and modern, featuring a spider-shaped speaker protector and blue LED ambient light ring that illuminates when the car starts, giving your interior a cool, futuristic vibe. The included remote control lets you easily adjust gain, bass boost, and crossover settings, providing full control over your audio experience. Compatibility is also a strong point, as it supports both high and low-level RCA inputs, making it easy to integrate with various car stereo systems. While the Zine-Kuls's subwoofer is packed with features, its slightly bulky design, compared to other underseat models, may pose installation challenges in smaller vehicles. Additionally, at higher volumes, the bass may lack the precision audiophiles would expect. Pros include its powerful performance, excellent fleet management, and stylish design, while cons are limited to installation challenges and occasional distortion at peak levels. Finally, taking the #1 spot is the Vike Gibiv 1200W RGB subwoofer. This subwoofer stands out as the ultimate powerhouse for car audio enthusiasts. With an impressive peak power of 1,200 watts, it delivers deep, booming bass that brings your music to life. The RGB beat-synced lighting system is the star feature here, allowing you to customize the light colors via app control and create a vibrant interior atmosphere that matches your playlist. Built with cast aluminum, this subwoofer is not only durable, but also optimized for heat dissipation and air resonance. Its slim profile of just 2.76 inches makes it perfect for underseat installation or compact spaces. The individual controls for low-pass filter, gain, and bass boost provide a tailored listening experience, ensuring every note is crisp and every beat hits hard. Whether you're driving a truck, SUV, or Jeep, this subwoofer fits seamlessly into various vehicle types. The Vike Gibiv RGB subwoofer is an all-rounder, combining style, performance, and customization options. Its only drawback is the slightly higher price point and potential complexity in app setup for RGB control. However, for those seeking top-tier bass performance and aesthetic appeal, this subwoofer is worth every penny. Pros include its exceptional sound quality, customizable RGB lighting, and versatile installation options, while cons are limited to app setup complexity and cost. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.